Johnson, and we have Robert Nelson here with us today. And Robert just had a huge game with the Texans this past Sunday night. You probably saw he got the clutch interception right before halftime, which really turned the game around for the Texans. And he was brought up just last weekend, and he made a key play already in his first game. So we want to congratulate him.
Thank you.
And we also want to praise the Lord for answering our prayers, because we were all praying for him to get on the team and get active in his squad and take the best advantage of his opportunities. And he did that by playing his game. And I just want to thank the Lord for answering our prayers and give him all the honor and all the glory. I know a lot of you don't believe that, but you know what? We do.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Okay, Robert, let's take a look at your posture here first. Let's flex you forward and backwards. And he's not another injured Texan. He's just coming in here so he can stay well, which is the best way to do it. That way you can perform at your highest level of performance and avoid getting injured. But we're really proud of Robert, and we want to congratulate him and his family, and we just wish him all the best with the Texans and the NFL career that he has ahead of him, because it's nothing but looking up from here, right?
Right.
All right, so his favorite, first thing.
You put me on that first.
Yep. He rings bells on Sunday night, and I'm going to ring bell on him today. I've been smooth at these all day though today. Haven't I? I've been hitting them all day.
You're always hitting them.
Yeah. Okay. Now just keep your teeth together and breathe through your nose. Just like that. Oh, that was smooth as silk. Didn't hurt me a bit. He's still kicking. All right. Tilt left just a little bit. There you go. That's it, man. Good job. If you missed that interception on Sunday night, go to the highlights of the game and you'll see it on Houston Texans website, and also it's on CBS Sports, I believe. Okay, let's come on. It's also on the NFL site too, isn't it?
Yeah. That one felt good. I needed that one.
Yes, sir. You got that all the way down, didn't you? Yep. That'll jerk the knot out of your tail. Alright. So Robert does a lot of really fast cuts and run in the opposite direction quickly and staying up with these defenders, so we're making sure that his lower extremities and his pelvis is lined up at its most optimal level for him to function better. I'm adjusting his left SI joint first, his right SI joint next, L5, L4, L3, L2, and there's L1. Now we're going to move up into the lower thoracics here. There we go. Just like that. Boy, you're doing good today. Oh, yeah. Good job. I'm just going to do some lateral oblique stretches here with you now. Your neck here next, Robert. Okay. You just keep doing this way just a tad. There you go. Good. That's it. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. There we go. One more. Yep, now slide down this way just a little bit. Put your arms straight out to the sides. Okay. Scoot up that way just a little bit to the top. There you go. A little bit more where your head's on the hip piece. There you go. Perfect. getting his shoulders squared off and his ribs realigned in the front here, the costo-sternal junctions. And then I'm going to adjust his knees and his hips and low back from this end. There you go. Should have felt that all the way up. Good. There we go. Good. Now, we're going to do what's called an active resistive stretch with him. He's pretty limber, so take these pins out so I don't poke it. Okay. So he's pretty limber already, see? So go ahead and push against me and exhale. Okay, now breathe in and relax. Now push again and exhale. There we go. And one more time in. Yes, sir. Now one more time push. Okay, let's see how far we get up there. Yep. Would that increase about 50%? Feel that stretch in your low back too? Okay. So you notice I'm holding the toe forward. That stretches out the gastrocnemius muscle and the hamstring. Go ahead and push against me and exhale. Okay, now relax and inhale. Yep, go ahead there. Good, and one more here. Good deal. Push. There you go. Excellent. I'm going to turn you on your tummy one more time now, Robert. Put your face up to the head piece there. I'm going to work on your piriformis down here just a little bit. Deep, deep down underneath of the gluteus medius and maximus is the piriformis muscle. It goes from the greater trochanter here over to the sacrum. And it's the primary muscle that is responsible for external and internal rotation. Now you probably feel that when I go over there, right? Right there especially. Yeah. These are all key elements to making sure that the pelvis remains strong and stable. Yeah, it should be getting less sore the more I do it. Yeah. Good. Okay. So let's do this one here too. I'm going to go in first. Feel that little knot right there? Mm-hmm. Yep. And you can kind of see my elbow coming off of it. Then externally rotating it. And then I'm going to dig it on towards the outside of it a little bit more. Ooh, there it is. And there. And we're going to do one more inside. And one more external rotation. This one's a little tighter than the other one. Yep. Okay, now we're also going to work on his IT band over here, which is really the tensor fasciolatum muscle. That's probably a little tender too. We do transverse friction across that. I'm just using my thumbs here. But there's a lot of force in my fingers, as I'm sure Robert can tell you.
Yeah, it's sore now.
Yep, it's sore now, huh?
Yeah. A lot of knee too. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so we'll just make sure his knee's in place here. There it is. You feel that? Mm-hmm. That was your fibula. There we go. Good. All right, my friend, you're exactly even. Tell me if there's any pain in your back at all when I do this, Robert.
No.
Great. Okay, let's stand up and face toward Joseph for a second. There we go. Good. There we go. All right, let's check your elbows out here. There we go. Okay. There. Yep, big deal. Let's stand up here in front of the mirror now. Yeah, you're alright standing up straighter. Okay, let's flex your head forward and backwards again. And then neutral. Yep. Translate you this way just a little bit. Now look up. Little tap there. Another one there. Okay, you can relax and try that same thing again, Robert. That should have felt even smoother. You're right down the middle everywhere now.
They kind of push me to this.
Yeah, but you're right down the middle though, see?
Yeah.
Very good. So what would you tell our YouTube subscribers out there about your experience with chiropractic and how that's helped your football playing and your life and your health?
I'm back here as much as I can, and it definitely helped me as a player to encourage other players and other fans out there to really come see this guy, because he's doing things that I've never seen before, and my bodies feel better than it's ever felt before playing this game.
And how do you feel about the future?
Oh man, it's great.
It's all up, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
That's
God,
great.
man. It's all about God, and I truly really believe that.
Yeah, and he says that in his post-game interview with CBS too. And we just want to congratulate him again, and we wish him the very best in the NFL and with the Houston Texans, and we hope the Texans just keep on staying in first place all the way through the Super Bowl.
Yes, sir.
All right, good man. Thank you. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, and we'll see y'all soon.